This is a tutorial for Where Are You Christmas, this time as a soloist. This time as a accompanist. So in this instance, somebody will sing the melody and you will just play the chord in the right hand, and the left hand usually plays the root note of the chord, but this particular song has some variations on that I will show you. We'll start out with a B flat chord here, B flat, D and F. Where are you Christmas? That's an F chord, A, C and F. And there's an E flat chord, G, B flat, E flat. Why can't I find you? That's an F chord, A, C, F. B flat again. B flat, D, F. Why have you gone? There's an F chord again. A, C, F. Away. There's an E flat chord. G, B flat, E flat. Back to F. Same pattern for a while. B flat. Where is the laughter? F. E flat. You used to bring me. F, B flat. Why can't I hear this F? Music play, E flat, F, E flat, G, B flat, E flat. My world is changing. There's a B flat there, B flat, D, F, E flat, G, B flat, E flat again. I'm rearranging. B flat again, E flat. Does that mean Christmas is B flat? Changes is E flat, and then it changes to an F. 2 is a B flat. That's F. That's E flat. That's an F chord. Does the same verse again. Then I'm just going to do the last phrase into the second ending. Does that mean Christmas? Actually, the second verse would be, is that why you have let me go? There's a B flat there. That's a D chord, A, D, F sharp, kind of a transition chord there. G minor, B flat, D, G. Christmas is here. There's an F sharp, A, D, F sharp. Everywhere. That's a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. Oh, is a D chord, A, D, F sharp, then it goes up. Christmas is here. That's a G minor again, B flat, D, G. Here is a D chord, A, D, F sharp. If you care, there's a B flat, D, and F. And it's got a transition chord here. Technically, it's an E minor 7th flat 5, B flat, D, E, G. Then it goes to this E flat chord, B flat, E, G, D flat, E flat, G. If there is love, love is an F chord, A, C, F. In your heart, there's a D minor, A, D, F, and your mind, E flat, B flat, E flat, G. Then the fourth beat, you got a B flat chord there, which goes to C minor, G, C, E flat. You will feel like E flat, Christmas. Time is at G minor, G, B flat, and D. Time is a F chord, A, C, F. transition chord to the next key, which is the key of C, yay, is a G chord. G, a B, D, G. And you got a C chord, C, E, G. I feel you Christmas, that's a G chord, B, D, G. F chord, A, C, F. I know I found you, that's a G chord, B, D, G, C. You never fade, there's a G chord again, B, D, G, away. There's an F chord, A, C, F. There's an A chord, A, C sharp, and E. That's your transition to the D chord, key of D. Then you've got a D chord, A, D, F sharp. The joy of Christmas. There's a A chord again, A, D, C sharp, and E. G chord, B, D, G. Stays here inside us. That's an A chord, A, C sharp, and E. A D chord, A, D, F sharp. Fills each and every. That's an A chord, A, C sharp, and E. Every is an F sharp minor, A, C sharp, and F sharp. Free heart. There's a G chord, B, D, and G. Heart. There's an A chord again, A, C sharp, and E. With love. There's a D chord, A, D, F sharp. Love to an A chord, to a G chord, to an A chord. Where are you, Christmas? There's another D chord, A, D, F sharp. Another A. Fill our hearts with love. A G chord, B, D, G. Another A. And it ends on the D chord, A, D, F sharp. So those are the chords for your right hand. And then for the most part, when you're playing like this, you would play a root note down low, which for the bass note, which would be the bottom note, the root note of the chord. So playing a B flat chord here, you play a B flat down low. But here's what I want you to do. It's a B flat chord. Where are you, Christmas? That's an F chord, but we're going to play an A, not an F. So the reason for that is it goes like this. It's a progression like this. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? It just goes just like that over and over. So it walks down to this and back up again. So B flat with a B flat in the bass. Where are you, Christmas? F with an A in the bass. E flat with a G in the bass. Why can't I find you? B flat again. Why have you gone? F with an A in the bass. Away. E flat with a G in the bass. F with A in the bass. B flat. Where is the laughter? F with A in the bass. Same thing all through this part. You used to bring me. B flat, why can't I hear? F with A in the bass. Music play. E flat, G in the bass. E flat. Actually, right there, you should go to the E flat on the bass. My world is changing. There's a B flat with a D in the bass. My world is changing. E flat again. I'm rearranging. E flat. Does that mean Christmas? Changes too. Where are you, Christmas? Do you remember? that's G minor, and you got a D in the bass. It's here, everywhere. Oh, there's another one of those walking things. G minor, G in the bass, D, F sharp in the bass, B flat with F in the bass, D back up to F sharp, does this several times. Christmas is here, if you can. This is that fancy E minor chord. And you've got an E flat chord on the bass again. If there is love. Now this is an interesting thing right there. It's an F chord, but you keep the E flat on the bass, and it resolves down to that D minor with a D in the bass. So it's, if there is love in your heart, D minor in your mind, you will feel like Christmas all the time. I feel you Christmas, I know you found you. Now that's that same thing, except it's a different key. You got a C chord, G with a B in the bass, F with an A in the bass. It does that same walking thing. You never fade away. And then an A chord, the joy of Christmas. There's an A with C sharp in the bass. Stays here beside us, fills every heart with love. So there's a lot of that going on, and whenever you see a chord symbol with two letters, where it has a letter and then a backslash and then another letter, the first letter is the chord. After the backslash, that is the bass note, and you see that a number of times in this chart. So it'll take some work on it hands alone, and when you're ready, you put it together, and this is what it sounds like. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? Where is the laughter you used to bring me? Why can't I hear music play? My world is changing, I'm rearranging. Is that why Christmas changes too? Where are you, Christmas? Do you remember the one you used to know? I'm not the same one. See what the time's done. Is that why you have let me go? Oh, Christmas is here everywhere. Oh, Christmas is here if you care. If there is love in your heart and your mind, you will feel like Christmas all the time. Oh, I feel you, Christmas. I know I found you. You never fade away. The joy of Christmas stays here inside us, fills each and